What's going on, guys? Today we are gonna make an animation. How to make an animation, you'll find out in this video. Alright, so I just created this new group. It's called M&S Studios. This is where I'm gonna make probably one of my biggest games I've had. So over the next few days, I will be like having specials, and I'll actually be playing like some sort of game on Roblox instead of doing Roblox Studio. Well, if you still want me to do Roblox Studio, put them in the comments below. Let's get straight into the video. Alright, so about the group thingy, you'll have to go to my profile and go to my groups. So you'll just have to do that. So what we're gonna start off with, there's plugin called Load Character. I can put this plugin in the link in the description. The link will be in the description, and we can but if you want to do instead you don't want to do a character like your Roblox character, you can just go into Builder Rig. It's a Roblox plugin, so you will have it. It's by default, and so you will have the avatar importer right here. Well, I don't want the avatar importer. What we're gonna use is the animation editor. So right now I'm just gonna delete that dude really quick. Delete. And I'm just gonna put my Roblox username in this plugin, PB Mike. So that's me right here, Volt and whatever. So it's really simple. So you're gonna click on animation editor, and this will be a rig to animate. So if you click on this, I'll just name it Volt Tutorial. Alright, and then after that, you'll click on the body part that you want. So let's just say you want to click on this body part, and we want to make let's just say a video. Not a video. Make him wave. So basically what you're gonna have to start off with is basically you'll have it like this, and then you'll choose the whatever. So first you'll have it like this, and I think you can. So first you'll just go like this, and then if you want you can make this 3 seconds or something. And then next we'll have drag this to 3 seconds. Come on. Yeah, 3 seconds, and we'll just do it like this. Another 3 seconds. We'll do it like this. Let's actually another 3 seconds. We go to 9 right now. We'll do it like this. And then let's go this way. And whoops, it's getting out like that. Another 3 seconds. You can go like that. Then one more 3 seconds like that. Then whoops, one more of the 3 seconds, and it's back down to where it was. So now if we can click that loop thing and click on this, it should show me kind of waving. You can separate this out to maybe, I don't know, you can every maybe 4 seconds. I just chose 3 seconds. So yeah. So let's go back to where we normally are. Yeah. Alright. Let me kind of open it a little. Okay, good. So we'll have 0, 1, 2, 3, whatever. We don't want, kind of want it a little bigger, like that. So now that you got this, we basically just start off like this, kind of go up, down, hello, you know. Ooh, maybe we want to fix this, kind of like put this right here. Let's see now. Yeah, alright. So it's very simple. In the next video, we are gonna be like, we're gonna be making a crawl animation, and that crawl animation will be like if you play the game Piggy. Then the crawl animation, like how they do it in there, will create like a GUI about that and whatever. So make sure you're liked, subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.